guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix AirPods only one side working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your AirPods and only one side is you're able to hear from, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you can do here. So first things first is you want to make sure that your AirPods is actually clean. So in this case, you could go ahead and use like a cloth out there, or use a microfiber cloth. Maybe clean the underside here, the metal connectors here, and also you could clean the insides of your AirPods here. So if you have air pressure device that you could use, you could blow some inside the actual AirPod. So sometimes there might be some dirt inside it. So in this case, cleaning it can actually solve a lot of issues. So yeah, so those are the first things that you could do here. So do some basic troubleshooting. But if that doesn't work, the next thing that you do here is to just basically do a factory reset, or just reset your AirPods. Now, what we need to do is we first need to look for a very small white button here, which is usually at the back of the AirPods. Now, you want to go ahead and open up your AirPods case here, and you want to go ahead and press and hold on the reset button. So don't let go in this one. So in this case, watch for the LED lights. So in this case, it will start blinking white. So just keep holding, then it will start blinking amber, continue holding, and it will start blinking white again. And from then on, just let go of the reset button. Now, you want to go ahead and close the case, and this actually resets your AirPods to factory settings. Now, you can go ahead and open up the case, reconnect your AirPods to your device, and check if both earbuds are now working. But yeah, so if none of those works, it means that you might have a faulty AirPod, so you might want to contact support for this one. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.